Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, we have this 3-in-1 case, and of course this is a 3-in-1 wireless charging station, and it's compatible devices. You can see here it works with the iPhone, it works with your as we were saying, your iPhone, it works with your Apple Watch, and of course it works with your AirPods or it should work with any other wireless device that you have that support the standard in charging. So AirPods would be the standard. This is mainly for the iPhone, but I'm sure other devices will work as well. So let's look at the device itself, and it gives you the main section to open here. It's 3-in-1. It's charging station, meaning it's charged up to 3 devices, which is your Apple device. This one is very popular, and I decided to get this one. All right, so let's look at the back of the box. The 3-in-1 logo here and here. All right, so the reason I chose this one is here. I went with the white, and it gives 2.5 charging watts for charging for your Apple Watch SE, Ultra, you name it. All right, series 2 to 11. All right, so this one that I have here is a series 10. So the 11 is the latest one. iPhone, it goes SE, 2nd gen, 3rd gen, and of course iPhone 8, X series 11, and the 17 series. So it supports all the latest ones. AirPods only supports AirPods with MagSafe wireless charging case, not support AirPods with Lightning USB-C charging case. So in other words, it supports the latest AirPods with the standard. All right, so it has this format here that it transforms, or it can go flat, and this is perfect for my desk. And here we have the product information right here. It says this is the product code, and it says wireless charging for AirPods, and it gives you that it's new. All right, so we're going to open this up. I'm going to find this section again. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to open this up. All right, so I'm going to get my knife, and I'm going to open. Here we go. All right. So this is the product itself. First time seeing it. I bought this with my own money. It wasn't sponsored. And there you go. All right, so this is everything that comes inside of the box. We're gonna put this together here. Here we have the case. All right, and it says 3-in-1, and it gives you the breakdown. And you can pause at any time and read. Let me show you different sections here and right here. All right, there's some key notes here. One, it shows you AirPods charging area. It shows you the light switch, and of course there's the watch charging and the phone charging. So these are specific areas. Standby, meaning white, is not doing anything. Charging is blue. FOD, alarm, and of course that would indicate a fault. And of course the correct usage, this is the way to use it. Do not attach anything upside down or off center. It must be centered. Nothing with metal, and of course any other than the recommended charger. All right, so that's how to use, and it has universal compatibility. And this is what I like about this one, is that it charges 7.5 watts for Apple iPhone 11 to 17 series. Still has up for support for iPhone 8 and X, SE 2nd and 3rd gen, and of course over here it does support Samsung devices up to the S23 series, but I'm sure it goes further. This was just the probably one that was tested. Note 8, 10 to 20 series, and of course 3 watt for Apple AirPods. That's the Pro 1 and 2, AirPods 2, AirPods 3, AirPods up to 4 with the active noise cancelling and the built-in MagSafe. All right, and for the Apple Watch, of course we know it supports most of them, or all latest ones. All right, so that's it for that. And there's support information here, troubleshooting, you name it. All right, so let's get straight into the product without further ado. And here is the box, very nice setup. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna open this up. All right, and here we go. This is the charger itself, and it gives a link to the tutorial how to use. So I'm going to remove this, and you can see the designated areas that are here, and they are the charging pads and the various areas. We're going to put this to the side. You can see the back of the device here, and this is the charging pad itself. Very nice, modular. All right, over here we can find everything that we'll need. These are the extras. All right, so you get a USB-C to USB charging cable, and if you look very carefully, we also have the charger. This is very nice that they included the charger. All right, so they were very nice to include the charger, which is very nice. I appreciate that. Manufacturers do not include chargers nowadays, and they're so important. All right, so it means that we can easily charge. So it's this red. I've never seen a red tab in these. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in, and the cord is long enough. All right, so we're gonna find the port, which is right on this side, and you can check it out now. So we're gonna slide this in. It's USB type C. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. All right, so check it out, guys. This is the stand. All right, so in terms of the stand, we can go ahead and there's a kickstand at the back, so we can secure this. So the kickstand is to make sure that it stays in place. We can we can go ahead and set it at different heights. So the first height would be here, the second height would be to about here. So we're gonna place it around here. This is metal, the rest is plastic, and here we go. All right, so we can see the standby mode in white, and of course I've plugged this in, and the stand is right here. Now, of course, in terms of my in terms of my iPhone, I have this on right now, and this is in the drying phases. I'm testing this out, so I won't be able to test the phone, but I can, however, test the watch. So we're gonna put the watch on to test it out. All right, so here we have the watch. This should be sufficient for the test. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap it on and check it out, guys. It works flawlessly. So it attaches quite nicely. And as it attaches, it's magnetic, so it stays right in place. As you can see, the strap is there and it works, all right? Also, guys, I have my older iPhone. So of course this is an iPhone 11, and if I connect it, let's see if it works. And it simply works. All right, guys, so everything works fine. The watch is charging and the phone is charging, and it works perfectly. All right, so far what I like, guys, is it gives clear indicators. Everything simply works, and it's magnetic for the watch. I'm not sure for the AirPods, but of course you can't complain if something simply works out of the box without any worried or running to and fro trying to figure stuff out, or it's too technical. I love that it comes with the included charger, and of course you can place this on a surface and easily connect all of your devices. All right, so this was the setup and my first impressions. I'll have a full-on review of it later on, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.